In the ruined Graymoor bell tower, a lone researcher threads through corroded gears as wind tolls the metal with sullen echoes. He hears a breath behind him, a bell rings without a clapper, and he mutters, "Show yourself," to the empty air. A soft voice answers from darkness, "Why wake us?" And he replies, "This tower was built on a graveyard of secrets," and the voice sighs, "Remember the mine shafts." The recording device catches whispering footsteps up the stairs, a staircase light bleeds red, and the protagonist asks, "Who guards history?" The ghosts recount closure, the bell tolls as rain.